Hey guys, I'm here at my mom's work, and what we're going to be doing today, me and my sister,
Wait, I'm doing it too?
right here,
Musically?
are going to do a burping contest.
I'm not doing it.
So, what we're going to do is burp, and we'll give each other scores, but they have to be realistic. They have to be realistic, so here we go. I actually got us water so we could burp easier because I can only burp with water. So, be right back. Here's the water. There we go. Sorry, it wasn't focusing. Okay, so here's the water. Me and her. Where are you? Where are you, Anna? Yeah, she's right there. So,
I'm not doing it.
rock, paper, scissors to see who
I'm
goes
not
first.
doing it.
Anna, it's for the viewers.
Oh, is it a charity cause? I'll do it.
Yeah, it's a charity cause. Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first.
No one cares.
Okay.
I don't need water.
Ready,
I got a burp
set,
in me already. This is my water. My turn.
I forgot to tell you we both get 2 burps.
Step aside, loser. It's my turn. I don't need water. Since I didn't even want to do this and it's not for charity, I'm just going to try my worst. And I'm just going to do this.
So, there's a girl outside this window. Because you guys are on a window that we know. So,
We don't want to
we'll
embarrass
be right
ourselves.
back. We're going to go talk to her.
We are. Oh, hey.
Hey, we are back. So,
Whoa, look at that green and black car out there.
whoa, that's pretty sweet. Looks like Gravedigger. Okay, so I guess I won round 1. So, the punishment will be, there is no punishment. That's a punishment for you guys. But, I'm sorry, but there's a lady looking at me right now because she thinks I'm weird and mental. But, you guys are awesome. Sorry we couldn't think of a punishment. This is just for a fun contest.
Oh, I thought of one.
Tell me if you want me to do a flex contest with her in the comments below. And this is round 2.
No thanks.
Sorry, I got caught in my stomach. I need a little more water. It's stuck in my stomach. I'm dying. I'm seriously dying. It hurts so bad right now. Okay, Anna, it's her turn.
Ew, it smells.
It smells. Smell my breath. Smells good, right? Okay, it's her turn. I'm about to go to a bathroom.
I'll be back. I'll be here. This girl that we don't like named Crystal is not there, so we can't go to the bathroom. And peeps, remember to make me win.
I know, girl. Want me to show her? No, you don't. Okay, so I'm going to get this burp out of my stomach. feel so bad. So, I guess she won that round because I'm being nice. We get one more burp. I don't really feel like it, but it's for you. So, here we go. You like my hair? Looks sweet, right? So, I'm going to stop wearing a hat because it looks pretty cool right now. Even though it has no gel, it's still stick. Get down. Get down. So, sorry. I just changed my mind. Oh, that looks good. We're not doing another contest. We're just not doing another burp. We're just gonna end the video because I'm kind of creeped out that there's a girl like right beyond that wall back there. She, like
literally
right there.
right beyond.
Yeah, like right there.
On the wall.
So it's
I'm
kind
gonna
of
go
serious.
I'm gonna go check.
And bye. Love you guys.